Designing the home screen in iOS 18 is an absolute fun. You can customize your iPhone home screen layouts by changing the colors and appearance and even place the app icons at the desired spot. But what if you have completely messed up your iPhone home screen with too many icons and widgets and now want to reset the layout to the default state? No worries, as you can do so without losing any of your media or data. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So to get us started, first up you have to open the settings app on your iPhone. Then select General. After that you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Reset. Then you have to choose Reset Home Screen Layout and confirm the action when prompted and you are good to go. You have successfully reset the layout of your iPhone home screen. Now you can customize your home screen from scratch by placing and adjusting icons in the right way. And I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye.